Hello everyone. I participated in Digital Corporate Awards by Dreamers Talent, organized by All India Talent Competition, and won two awards. One is for solo dance and one is for Global Poetry Recitation Competition. And here are they. Cannot even believe that I could win this. So damn happy. So these are digital corporate awards. The organizing team is known as Dreamers organization, and these are for corporate people. And this is all India national level talent competition. And yeah, just so happy with this. One award is for the solo dance competition, and another award is for poetry recitation competition.
Oh my god.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Madhumita Chatterjee, and I have come with a very exciting video. I know you are able to see me in a very traditional attire, and you all must be wondering this is going to be something related to dance and art and culture. You are right. So, few months ago, around 2 months ago, I had participated in Digital Corporates Award All India Talent Competition, meant specifically for working people and for the people who are working in corporate. And guess what? Today was the final round, and I have received my results and I have received my awards. Cannot wait to show you the awards. Stay tuned. This is my first award that I have received. This is the Solo Dance Award. This digital corporate award means a lot to me. So, solo dance was held among all India employees all over the India from all the states. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai, and this was an all India competition, and we I participated just like that. I did not really think whether I'm going to win something or not, but just for the love of dance, and I participated there, and I won the solo dance award. And here it is, feels so special. And obviously it's a little special because they had my picture also engraved in this award, so feeling really special. So in this award also it's written Dreamers All India National Level Talent Competition. This was the seventh edition. That means they are doing this for the last 7 years, and this is the award that I have received it. The next award I have received for poetry and recitation competition. So this category was for the English poetry recitation competition, and just I cannot believe, because see, dance is something I always keep on doing. I am in touch with it, but poetry recitation competition, I was not in touch with it at all. But receiving the award for the poetry recitation competition means so much to me. Last but not the least, yes, you can see this is the huge award, and this actually blew my mind because this was the global regional poetry recitation competition, which means people from any languages can speak poetry like Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, and Punjabi, and even there were entries from Spanish, German, and all those languages. So I won the award for the best regional language poetry recitation competition, and I recited the poetry in the language of Bengali, and I'm so happy for the global poetry recitation competition for the best regional poetry recitation competition award. So yeah, these three awards. So yeah, these three awards are extremely special to me. Feeling so happy. And so, these competitions do not just have one round or something like that. They have multiple rounds. It's divided in months. It's not like in one day you go and you get it. So yeah, that was the entire thing. So I also wanted to inform you all, when you see these awards in my hand, you must be wondering, oh, this is just so easy. It just happens. Let me tell you, ground reality, things just do not happen. Of lately, I have been facing huge responsibilities in my workplace, and the pressure is so much I cannot even fathom in any words. It's Christmas time, but we're not getting any holidays. So things just don't happen. I try my best to get little time to pursue my extracurricular activities. That's because the extracurricular activities that I do, which is a little bit of traditional dancing, which is Bharatnatyam and Kathak, and a little bit of orientation, elocution, poetry recitation, anchoring. These two activities I'm extremely passionate about, and to take out time for your passion is always a struggle. We have to fight so many battles to pursue it. We have to sacrifice so many things, and the job never comes easy. The job never makes it easy. So today, when I have these in my hand, it's such a small thing, but it just makes me feel, yeah, gives me the courage to continue doing it. And along with it, also work. As I always tell you, I'm in the field of cyber security, which is such a demanding field. And every single second, there is so much of work, there is so much of issues that needs to be resolved. You can never have 100% secured place or 100% secured organization. So you may understand that how difficult it is to manage the work as well as this. So just wanted to share with you, my YouTube family, my digital family, because you all have been along with me all this way. I really hope you can also share the joy that I'm feeling with me for winning these awards. And yeah, so the poetry competition and the solo dance competition. So just wanted to come here and share it with you all. And guys, this was such a surprise. I was not expecting it, I was not knowing it. And since it was year end, I received the email, I received these awards, and you know, just made my day. I really hope even you can enjoy the way I'm enjoying by receiving this award, and you can also be a part of celebration in my journey. I also wanted you all to get a closer look of my awards. So, presenting the first global award, as you can see, the poetry recitation competition. So, this was the regional poetry recitation competition, which I won the best regional poetry recitation competition award. As I have already explained you before, there were regional poetry recitations with languages like Hindi, English, Marathi. Pardon me, English was a separate competition, but for the regional, there were entries for Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Marathi, then many other regional languages, Konkani. Then there were entries for German, Spanish languages also. I participated for the Bengali. I gave my entry for the regional for Bengali poetry recitation competition, and I won this global award for that. So yeah, mind and all competitions were held in India, but all over India. So this award is for that. This is the solo dance competition. So I don't have a group for this, so I always participate for solo dance competition, and this award is for that solo dance competition. All India talent competition by organized by Dreamers. These are digital corporate awards. And the last award was for poetry recitation competition for English entry. There was a separate section which allowed only English recitation competition. So for that, I have won this award. So yeah, really happy and blessed for having win these two awards. It was just just out of nowhere. Nobody had any idea. I usually do not really inform my close friends and family that I am participating in these things, So, because I always go with one faith that, these are, I mean, simply, I always feel that, I may not be good enough and I may not win this. But when these things come, things just change, I mean, it gives me the motivation that to do this, to keep continue doing this, and to keep continue following my passion. Really, really hoping you all can also come together, see my video, celebrate with me, because these awards actually belong to you. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel, when you come and watch my videos, it really, really motivates me. So keep doing that, keep supporting that. This award is not just of mine, it's not just of Madhumita's, it's of Madhumita's entire family. So your kudos to everyone, kudos to my family. Thank you so much for watching my video till here. I really hope you love watching this video. This was an award special video, and nobody could have ever guessed that I can also win such awards. So thank you, Dreamers Talent Organization, for awarding me these 3 awards. Thank you, the Digital Corporate Awards Organization, to supporting Dreamers Talent Organization. This was the 7th edition where these awards and these contests have been created. And thank you for giving me these awards. It really means to me. And thank you to all the YouTube family and friends who watch my video, and the people who are watching the video till here. It means the world to me. Please do share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, comments down on this video. I read each and every comment, and your comment, your one subscribe really, really matters to me. Don't ignore this. I read everything. I read every single comment. I can see every single like, and it really, really makes my day. So at the end, I always want to tell you this, that these things, the solo dance competition, the poetry recitation competition, they don't come easy. This is not my code job profile, right? I am a cybersecurity risk manager, so that is my main job profile. I just struggle a hell lot to even manage my extracurricular activities. So if you subscribe, it really makes my day, and it really means a lot to me. So guys, do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do like this video, and I really, really hope you can also celebrate with me in receiving these awards by me. And yeah, I'm going to see you all next time. Take care. Stay blessed, and wishing you all a very, very Merry Christmas, and wishing you all a very Happy New Year in advance. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. To all my YouTube family, to all my friends and family, and to all the people who are currently watching this video, and I really and genuinely think all of you are as my friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video till here. This video is special at so many levels. I genuinely never imagined that, they will give me an award, these corporate awards, these digital competitions. Almost 1,000 to 2,000 people participate, and we are just one more entry. I could I could never even believe that something this can happen. And the only motto that I keep in my life is I should give it a try. No matter what. Let me just think of a new concept, and let me just think of a new art form that I want to present, that I feel will make me proud. So when I start designing any dance, or when I start designing any elocution, the first thing that comes into my mind is that I should be happy to see the result. And otherwise, the entire time I keep on researching what kind of dances are happening and how traditional dances have been evolving. So that's how I do it, and I just give it a try. So today, before the year end, when I received this award, it really, really, really made my day. And that is the reason I'm requesting you all to participate in this journey with me. So that's all I wanted to say. And at the end, I would love to tell you all, please do like this video.